Lots of time, student has been asking if they wanted to study in Finland, what is the procedure, how they should apply, and what they should need to know. So in this video, I will explain you those sort of things for August 2021 intake. We are also an authorized educational agent by Finnish University, Lab, and Louth University of Technology. So I will today talk about Bachelor degree program 2021 August intake. Lab University has two campuses, one is in Lappeenranta and in Lahti. Lahti campus is 100 km approximately far from Helsinki and 1 hour drive from Helsinki. And Lappeenranta University is 240 km far from Helsinki, the capital of Finland, and it approximately 2.5 hours driving distance, so or 2 hours by train. And Lahti offers 5 different subjects. I will give the links in the description box. And also Lappeenranta University or Lappeenranta campus offer 6 subjects for the August 2021 intake. So what you need to know to apply in Lab University of Applied Science, that the educational fee per academic year is 8,000 euro, and from second year you can get 50% scholarship if you completed your 55 credits they offered by the university in one academic year. And then what is the procedure to apply? The procedure to apply is you have to visit studyinfo.fi. That is the official website to apply. And before that, you must have your few things with you: your official certificate scanned copy and transcript in scanned copy, passport or national ID card scanned copy. And remember that if you have a national ID card or passport and it is your name in your certificate and your father name in certificate are different than your passport, I would suggest you should make it both of them like same, so there will be no confusion, because a lot of time I know a student has this kind of problems, like on their passport name is sometimes different and then their certificate name. So if you find this kind of problems, please fix it. Often students ask if they have study gaps. So if you have study gaps, even 5, 10, 15 years, doesn't matter. If you just wanted to study, then you can apply. It doesn't matter. If you are capable to study, that is the main thing they are looking for. So just go ahead, don't hurry, don't ask anyone, just apply. Then the second one, IELTS. Actually for Lab University of Applied Science, and they doesn't need any IELTS score. If you have it, it's good for you, but if you doesn't have it, it's okay, you can still apply. You must need to give an entrance examination. I will make another video on that, what kind of entrance examination it will be. So that will be another topic. Entrance examination will be online, so it will be very easy to do. You don't need to visit some office or some location. Also, you don't need to pay for that, so it's really good for students at least. I think that's all for basic information what you need, and if you need still something, you can ask me in comment section. I will give an answer. But now let's go to the procedure, how we should apply. To apply, you need to visit studyinfo.fi. You can choose up to 6 subjects for one academic year, and from there you will be selected for one at least. So in my opinion, you should choose 6 subjects, same 6 subjects. Like if you apply for Lab University of Applied Science, there is 2 campuses, like Lappeenranta has offered the international business, also like Lab University Lahti campus, they also offer international business. So choose like this: international business in Lahti, international business in Lappeenranta, international business in Helsinki, some University of Applied Science, in other University of Applied Science. So how it will be easy? It will be easy for you for your entrance examination. You don't need to give a lot of different kind of entrance examination, and there will be a possibility to get higher chance. Maybe one university you will not get the opportunity, but second university you might get the opportunity. So that is one thing you can choose. Of course, if you want to choose different subjects like mechanical engineering, business information technology, nursing, healthcare, tourism, no problem. You can choose still 6 subjects, 6 different subjects. But remember, you need to give a different entrance examination for different subjects. give your personal details, your surname, your first name. Remember, when you are giving your surname and first name, often I have noticed, like a lot of times I have been asked last semester that my surname is different than my passport surname. So it's really is it really a big problem? Yeah, it is a big problem. So remember to have your passport surname and then certificate surname is same, passport number or national ID card number. If it doesn't have passport number, it is okay, or if it doesn't have passport, it's still okay. You can use your national ID card and attach your national ID card in the application form. Use your personal email address and phone number. Sometime university might need to contact you and maybe ask you more details about you or anything they need to know. So they will send you an email. So use that personal email address what you often use. So don't use other email address. Don't make a new email address. That's it. Just use your own email address. Also use your personal phone number that you often, like if someone call you, you receive that, because it might happen in your interview time. They might give you a call or something like that. So you have your number with you and you can pick that number. So that's very important to remember. And now you need to choose your educational options, like what you have completed. For bachelor degree, they need higher secondary certificate, educational certificate, or equivalent that certificate that you can apply to the university. So you choose matriculation exam other than Finland. So attach your this higher secondary school certificate as an attachment. If you have completed already one bachelor degree, you can add still that bachelor degree certificate. There is no problem, but you must need to add at least your higher secondary school certificate and higher secondary school certificate transcript, like your educational transcript. After attach all those certificate, you can attach as many as you want certificate, like for if you completed bachelor degree, as I said, bachelor degree, you can add those certificate. If you wanted to add your secondary school certificate, you still can add those certificate and transcript. So there is no harm with that. And now then follow the next step, like there will be asking SAT certificate or language test certificate. If it doesn't have SAT, just click I don't have it, and then you will give an entrance examination. If you have it, attach it. That's it. And after that, you check all the information. There will be like some kind of rules and regulation. They will ask you, can they use your information for marketing purpose? Can they publish your name in the website? Those sort of things. You can say yes, you can say no. So there will be no harm with that. And finally, check before submission. There you will need to check all the information, it is correct, and then submit it. After when you submit, you will get a confirmation email to your email address, and they will also give you an email concerning that until how long you can edit the information. So you can even edit it afterward. There will be a certain period of time, there will be written that information also. So don't worry about that. If you doesn't have certificate, you just pass and still you didn't get the certificate, so add the transcript and then send an email to the university that I completed my education, but I didn't get the certificate yet. This is the transcript. I will get the certificate by that time. So that is the things you need to inform them. So that's all. So if you like this video and if it's helped you, then subscribe. In coming video, I will make a video what kind of part-time job availability we have in Finland, and what kind of job students are often doing here in Finland, and how to get them. So that kind of information or that kind of video I will make. Also, I will make another video how you can apply for master degree. So that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.